In this video, we will see how to create a VOD pre-roll ad insertion service that will allow the insertion of ads at the beginning of a VOD asset. To achieve that, Broadpeak.io manipulates the current manifest of the VOD stream, which will produce an ad media segment insertion before the start of the VOD. In this particular use case, we will need to have as prerequisite two sources already defined: the VOD catalog with the content requested by the end user and the ad server source that will indicate which ad to insert at the beginning of the stream. For the sake of this demo, we will use a very basic ad server source configuration that returns a VAST with always the same media file of 10 seconds duration. With this example, we won't explore ad tracking, which is although essential for a full monetization use case. Now that you have checked your asset catalog and your ad server do exist as Broadpeak sources, it's time to learn how to create a VOD pre-roll service using the web app. Let's get started. Go to the Service tab on the left. Click on Create New. This first drop-down menu displays the different service types available. Select Ad Insertion. Enter a service name. As we are testing things, you can use the lab tag. Choose the source type you want to use. The status checkbox on the right gives you additional information on the content availability. Click Next to continue. Under Service Configuration, choose your ad server from the list and check its status. Some options are available. Among them, enable ad transcoding so that the ad can match with the format of the asset. This format should correspond to one of the transcoding profiles available in your environment and in this drop-down list. Server-side ad tracking might be important for content monetization, but we'll keep it inactive in this tutorial. We will spend more time on that topic in another video. Validate by clicking on Next. Check your service configuration and validate by clicking on Run. Now your service has been created. An output URL allows you to stream any VOD assets of the catalog while activating monetization through pre-roll ad insertion. You can check in that preview screen if the operation is successful. On the left, the original stream with no ad inserted. On the right, the processed stream with the 10-second pre-roll ad that has been returned by the ad server and inserted by Broadpeak.io. As this service targets the whole VOD catalog, you can try it out on another asset. There you go. With your VOD pre-roll service now created, you can use your output URL in any video player. For a full functional use case, you will need to use a CDN in front of the platform and activate the ad tracking feature. We'll explain this in another video. Thank you for watching.